Today I'm going to show you how to replace the case on this Lexus fob. These are notorious for getting very wiggly. This one's not too bad, but I'm going to go ahead and replace it anyways. So here's what I'm going to be using. I've got my replacement aftermarket case. I got this one off eBay. They also sell them on Amazon. They're about 10 bucks. There's a link below in the description. I'm going to be using a pair of pliers, and then I have a 3.0 Phillips head screwdriver. So first thing I'm going to do is get out the actual electronics board. So I'm going to go ahead and unscrew this, and then this kind of goes up and back. Okay, so basically there's two main pieces here. You can see this piece is broken. So this is that's obviously your key. This is where the circuit board's housed, so go ahead and just pull that out. Set your old case aside. This one is a great time to go ahead and change a battery. This one takes a 1616. Some of the new ones take a 2016. You can just check on yours and just make sure that this is working. Hit your little lock button here and make sure that red light's popping up. Okay, so on the new one, open it up, and basically the tricky part here is getting your old blade into this. So what I recommend is trying to whittle this down a little bit. If you have a Dremel, that'd be great. Or what I'm going to do is just firmly squeeze this in side by side. You definitely can ruin this plastic piece, so don't go full Hulk mode. Okay, so gently just squeeze that side to side. And then this goes in the new case. There's a little hole right here. That goes in like that. This goes in here. And then, like I said, this kind of goes back first. This part's kind of tricky. And replace your screw. Go ahead and screw that in. And just make sure this button works and you're all set. Thanks so much for watching. Hope this was helpful. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.